Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a before and after report for Wayne in Tennessee on his Ranger RCI-63ffd4. Wayne, you brought it to me with reports of low modulation. People said they couldn't hear you really well, so we just got on the bench and just wanted to show you before. The RF power was all the way down when it arrived here, 250 watt slug. So it's keying like 3 watts maybe. So your average power swing, hello, 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 hello. So swinging to 25 watts. Your peak power, 500 watts slug, hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. Well, it shows it's doing 500 peak. But therein lies your problem. 1, 2, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. Now we turn our RF power all the way up. Set at 100 watts, which is no problem there. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh. So you're still going to 500 on the peak, but look at your average. You're not swinging forward at all. That's a problem. We're gonna go in here and take care of all that, and we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, Wayne, we're back. We got this all set up for you, ready to go. I think you're really gonna enjoy the difference. One thing I meant to mention, I'm paying attention to these, the last digit on a lot of these. The counter itself will actually drift a little bit with temperature, but you're dead on frequency, 0 beep. So let's just get right to it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug, 25 watts all the way down. That's a good low range for you. If you remember before, it was keying about 3 or 4 and it was swinging forward to 25, so I had about 23 watts of forward swing. Hello. Okay, now it's got at least 100 bird watts of forward swing. So that's where you're going to get your modulation. Everything's going to sound great for you. Peak power. Hello, 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 hello. 500 watts. So you still got the same 500 watts peak power. Hello, 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 audio. Look at your average power. Cleaned this up a lot too, by the way. The spectral purity on it was pretty horrible. It was splattering all over the spectrum. Got everything right on frequency, so all your power you're seeing is on frequency. 250 watt slug. Our power all the way up 125 is a safe range. Okay. Hello. You're swinging to 225 bird. If you remember before, you were a 100 watts carrier, and it was swinging 0. It was not moving at all. So once again, you have 100 watts of increased average power swing. 500 watt slug, 1111 audio. Hello, 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 audio. Right at 500 watts there too. Now, I am running a 100 amp power supply, which is what you would need to feed this thing correctly. You can get by on like a 70 amp, but if you're running a mobile, I would definitely run 4 gauge wires straight to the battery. These things are a amperage sucking monster, basically. So we got her fixed up for you, man. If you run it at 125 watts of carrier, which is all the way open, and you're swinging right there at 500, you're basically going to have 100% modulation. If you want to roll it down to 100 watts, low audio, still swinging almost to 500, now you have 125% modulation. If the guys don't think you're choppy, you can run it all the way down at the 25 watt carrier level. But sometimes you will get a little choppy, maybe a little splattery up close. Alright, Wayne, it's ready to come to you, man. This is going to be a totally different experience for you, and I really hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.